Hello everyone. I hope everyone is doing well. Now in this class we will practice final accounts by solving questions from the 2018, 19, 21 and so on. Okay. The previous year question papers I will explain step by step very clearly so that you can understand the concepts and answer similar questions confidently in your exams. Okay, how much AI increase, how much technology increase, will end of the moment we supposed to write these practical problems with our hands. Please remember that, guys. So please see the question and try to understand how I'm solving this particular problem. As I already mentioned you that in our previous class, you know how to draw and write this trading account. In trading account all direct expenses will come, and in profit and loss account all indirect expenses and incomes will come, and coming to the balance sheet all liabilities and assets will come, and again here non-current assets, non-current liabilities, current liabilities, current assets will be there. So while solving the problem, please pay attention here. Now, if you see the problem here, from the following details, prepare the final accounts for the year ending 31st 12 2015 he have given. So by giving this, by having this information, we can prepare the entries, which entry is going to become in which account. Segregately we have to take and do the problem. Here adjustments also he have given adjustments like water stock, right of depreciation, premises. Directly he given depreciation not in percentage form, he have given that direct amount only. Okay, premises on furniture he have given depreciation. Allow interest on capital. Here on capital interest, how much allowed? 5%. Capital is 35,000, so 5% on 35,000 we have to do. Carry forward rupees 200 for unexpected insurance. Carry forward is nothing but it is a type of prepaid insurance only. Okay, prepaid. So I am writing here carry forward means prepaid, already paid, which have to be paid, that already paid, prepaid insurance. So as you know, prepaid things that we are going to note down in assets side, right? So see the problem here. Opening stock, I have taken two opening stock 20,000, two purchases. Purchases is 1,12,000. Okay, and after that two carriage. Carriage how much mark? Carriage is 2,000. Is I'm clear? So buy sales if you say take sales 1,50,000 and sales returns is 2,000. This returns inward also we can call. He will give directly inwards return inwards bole to sales return. In sales we have to deduct that. So less returns. Sales is 1,50,000, returns is 2,000, 1,48,000. By closing stock is 20,000. Closing stock is 20,000. Altogether 1,68,000. Okay, and after that, if you see comparatively debtor side amount and credit amount, that credit side amount is a little higher than debtor. So 1,68,000 we have taken. So we have to deduct 1 lakh, 20,000, 1,12,000 and 2,000 from this 1,68,000. If you do that, you will get the 34,000. Is I'm clear? And after that, insurance. Here insurance, what is the amount he have given? Insurance to insurance is the 2,000. And after that, commission how much he given? Commission is 1,800. Okay, commission is 1,600. But is there adjustments, any adjustments here? So 1,600 we will take as a commission. And after that, salaries, how much salaries given? 12,000. Okay, and after that general expenses 4,000. Okay, and depreciation on premises and furniture directly they have given. And again, bad debts is 8,000. And after that, capital 5%. Capital sorry, carry forward, not carry forward, on 5%, allow interest on capital at 5%. So interest on capital is how much capital is 35,000. 35,000 into 5%, how much you got? 1,750. Interest on capital is 1,750. I taken here. Insurance how much? 2,000. Okay, commission how much he given ma? Commission is 1600. So debtor I have mentioned here. See, 1600. And after that salaries is 12,000. Okay, and after that the general expenses is 4,000. Okay, and to depreciation directly he given, right? So on premises is a 1,000, and after that on furniture it is 600. Okay, sorry, 600. Now bad debts is 8,000. Okay, so and gross profit brought down means that this gross profit we will brought down in profit and loss account, right? As you know, so 34,000 gross profit brought down. And by rent received, right? So rent received is 34,000 plus 1,000, how much? 35,000. And by discount how much ma? By discount it is 2,000. By discount 2,000. Please remember this discount I am mentioning here, 2,000. And I forgot to mention, here we have to mention the discount also. Here also got a discount, how much? 2,000. So discount allowed and discount received also happened to discount. Okay, how much? 2,000. Is that clear? So let's we calculate all together how much you are getting. Here 34,000 plus 10,000 plus 2,000. How much? 37,000. So you are getting 37,000, right? So from this 37,000 is the total, and we supposed to deduct this all 2,000, 1 lakh. I'm doing calculation, you people also do along with me. Minus what we have to deduct? 2,000 minus 1,600. Okay, minus 12,000, 2,000, 4,000. If you do all together, how much you are going to get? 4,000 250. Is I'm clear? 4,250 you got. Now we are preparing the balance sheet. Here in balance sheet, opening stock capital we will take, right? Capital how much ma? Here I'm mentioning is how much? 35,000. Net profit 4,250. Add, and interest on capital also we will add, right? So 1,750. How much you are getting all together for to how much you are getting ma? Please tell me. So here 35,000 plus 4,250 plus 1,750. How much? 41,000. 41,000. And less drawings, we have to deduct the drawings, right? In liability side, I already said drawings how much? 6,000. 6,000 minus 41,000 minus 6,000. How much you are getting? 35,000. So 35,000 is the net capital. Is I am clear? 35,000 is the net capital. And after that, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is 4,200. Okay, bank overdraft is the 4,200. Creditors 13,800. Is I am clear? So creditors will comes under the bank overdraft, and creditors is the current liabilities, right? And premises, this small adjustments is there here. Premises, please see how much premises is there. Premises is 24,000. 24,000 already we have depreciated, right? How much we have depreciated? 1,000 minus 24,000, how much? 23,000. And furniture also we have depreciated. How much ma? 600. What is the amount for furniture? 3,400 minus 600. How much you will get? 2,000. I am writing here 3,400 minus 600 is equal to 2,800. I am mentioning here 2,800. Debtors. What is the debtors amount ma? Here bad debts also we have taken 8,000 na. So debtors enter only. Debtors, what is the amount? 15,000. 15,000 minus what is the bad debts? 8,000. 15,000 minus 8,000, if you do, you will get 7,000. And closing stock, 20,000. Yeah. And insurance is the prepaid insurance we are adding here. So I already said you carry forward 200 for unexpected insurance is the 200. So 200 also I'm taking. Please calculate. If you calculate all together, 35,000 plus 4,200 plus 13,800, you will get 53,000. If you calculate this amount also, premises, furniture altogether, you will get 53,000. See, like this step wise if you do, it's a quite easy, not that much hard. First while seeing the paper only, you have to mention debtors will come which side, asset side, a rent received, which side we will get rent received in a profit and loss account, credit side, P and L account, purchases, T, insurance, again you have to mention insurance means where you will mention same. So like profit and loss account, credit side, like this you have to first mention in your question paper, and after that first draw the pro forma and do the entries. It's quite easy. Okay, so let's we try to solve another problem. This is a previous year problem. The following trial balance from books of Sai 31st 3 2008 have taken. So these are the particulars and this is the credit and debit amounts. Please see once. And adjustments, please read very carefully. Adjustments, if you see the closing stock, what is the adjustments of closing stock ma? Here adjustments for closing stock is 40,000. And after that depreciation, here percentage he given. In previous problem direct he have given, but now we got a percentage. Okay na. So in our previous problem what we did, we did directly he given amounts, but here depreciation percentage he given. Write off further 1,000 as a bad debts, and provision for bad debts is to be made and equal to 6% on sundry credit debtors. For this you people have to mention separate working notes. Okay, if you mention separate, I am not mentioned here working notes, I will do calculation and show you people, but you have to prepare the working notes. Okay, working notes if you prepare, quite easy. And prepare trading and profit loss and balance sheet of that particular date they have given, right? So in which account we are preparing? We are preparing the Sai account for the 2018 March. Okay, so if you see trading and profit loss account, combinedly I prepared. In previous problem separately trading account, profit and loss account I taken, but generally if you prepare like this also you will get full marks. Okay, up to here I have prepared the trading account, and after that continuity of profit and loss account. Please see very carefully. I already mentioned you. First we will mention the opening stock. Please see here, stock, opening stock, how much is the stock he given directly, not closing stock or not opening stock. If you get in trial balance stock here and adjustments another stock, means you have to indirectly assume that this stock is goes for opening stock, and this stock we will calculate it's for closing stock. Is I am clear? So opening stock is 46,000. Okay, and purchases, if you see the purchases, what is the amount to their purchases? 60,000. Okay, and wages, how much wages ma? 4,000. Is I am clear? And after that sales, if you take sales, here there is no any sales returns here, so sales directly I am taking 1,50,000. And closing stock, what is the closing stock amount? 40,000. If you calculate this 50,000 and 40,000, how much you are going to get? 1,90,000. Deduct this all amount from this 1,90,000. You will get gross profit. Please do calculation ma. You will get gross profit how much? 80,000. thousand. Now salaries. Please see the salaries here. Salaries. These are all the indirect expenses that we will mention in profit and loss account na, like advertisement, interest, furniture and building. This will come in asset side. But here he given 6%. Furniture no depreciation, but on motor vehicles and on a building he given depreciation. Okay na. So I'm mentioning here. Please see the entries what I'm mentioning here. So two salaries is the indirect expenses. How much? 35,000. General expenses. How much ma? 7,000. I'm seeing here and writing. You people also see. Taxes and expenses. How much ma? 8,000. Okay. And to advertising 9,000. Okay. Interest. Interest. How much we have to pay? 2,000 and 1,500. So we taken this rupees 1,500 is due for interest on loan. So 1,500 due means it's a outstanding interest, right? So that's what I have mentioned here, O by S. So interest is 2,000, 1,500 altogether. How much? 3,500. And to depreciation, I mentioned here building 6% on 60,000. 6%. Let's we see. 60,000 into 6%. How much? 3,600. Okay, 3,600. And after that even motor van also, if you do calculate motor van, how much? 8 80,000. 80,000 into 10% means obviously it is 8,000. Okay, motor van is 8,000. Bad debts, I said already, I will mention the notes for this. Let's we do first this. By gross profit brought down how much? 80,000. Okay. And after that, by commission. By commission, how much ma commission? Please see the amount. 3,500 by commission. 3,500. Okay, so here bad debts, I already did some notes on this, working notes. You can prepare bad debts and provision further bad debts rupees 1,000. Here if you see bad debts and further bad debts is rupees 1,000, and a new provision for doubtful debts is 6% on sundry debtors. Sundry debtors 6%. 6% means what ma? 6% of 2,000 25,000. If you do the amount, we will deduct the previous bad debts 1,000. You will get 1,440. And profit and loss account, and we this bad debts we have to include in both balance sheet and profit and loss account, right? In profit and loss account is equal to old bad debts 2,000. Okay, old bad debts 2,000 plus further bad debts is 1,000 plus new provision 1,440 minus old provision 2,500. If you do, you will get 1,940. Please take screenshot for this bad debts and try to do calculate. And balance sheet value, the sundry debtors will be then 25,000 minus 1,000 and minus new provision. How much altogether you are getting? 22,560. Please take screenshot for this bad debts and try to solve by your own. So I am mentioning here bad debts in profit and loss account. How much? 1,940. Okay, so please calculate all together 80,000 plus 3,500. If you do, how much you will get ma? So altogether 83,000. Please calculate 83,500 I am getting here. And from this 83,500, if you deduct this all salaries, general expenses and all, you are going to get 7,460. This is the net profit. Is I'm clear? And after that, here capital, I O oblique B, opening balance. Okay, opening balance I taken as a 1,25,000. Please see in question. 1 lakh capital opening balance I taken as a capital opening balance. How much? 1,25,000. Is I'm clear? 1,25,000. And add net profit. How much? 7,460. So net profit. Is there any drawings here? No, he not mentioned any drawings, so I'm not taking drawings. So all together, what is the net capital? Net capital is how much? 1,32,460 is the net capital. And after that, non-current liabilities, NCL, non-current liabilities, I already said you in our previous class. Loan is there, right? Loan, how much ma? Loan is 60,000. Is I'm clear? And current liabilities, sundry creditors. Sundry creditors is 40,000. Please see. And bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is 17,000. And outstanding interest on the loan also we will take. Outstanding interest on loan is how much? 1,500 rupees. 1,500 is due for interest on loan, right? This is outstanding interest on loan, so that also I have taken. Okay, and after this, here on buildings side, here first we have to depreciate the amount. Already I said you buildings 60,000, and we have to deduct 3,600. 6% we have taken, right? So how much you are going to get? Calculate 56,400. And motor van how much ma? 80,000, and 10% we have depreciated, right? So 8,000. How much you are going to get? 72,000 of motor van value. Furniture, there is no depreciation for furniture, right? So 60,000 I'm taking in furniture. Current assets, sundry debtors and closing stock we will take. Sundry debtors I already mentioned you that bad debts, right? 22,560 we got. And closing stock how much? 40,000. Please calculate the years here and here. It should be get tally amount. Now, so calculate the amount here. So 56,400 plus 72,000 plus 60,000 plus 22,560 plus 40,000. Okay, how much you are going to get? 2 lakhs. Okay, 2 lakhs change you are going to get. Okay, 2 lakhs. Please check the amount once again. 56,400, 72,000, 60,000, 22,000, 60,000, 22,560, and 40,000 all together. I'm getting here 2 lakhs 50,000 960. Is I'm clear? And if you calculate all amount here also, you will get 2 lakh 50,960. Okay, this is the previous year problem what we have solved. And let's see another problem. This is also from 2021 paper, I guess this is. So please see the problem. From the following information, prepare final accounts for the year ending 31st 12 2015. So we supposed to adjust, prepare a final accounts for this. So if you see adjustments, closing stock value 8,900, insurance prepaid rupees 250. Okay, and outstanding salaries, and after that interest on bank loan rupees 150, and after that depreciation on machinery and furniture 10% he given. So here only you people calculate and note down furniture, and here how much machinery also he given 10%. So we have to calculate here only and note down ma. Okay, and this is the problem. Okay, as by seeing the problem only, first what our primary job is that first we have to mention if discount, credit, and means we are going to write this entry in the profit and loss account, right? In profit and loss account, which side ma? Here on credit side. So means profit and loss account. Carriage outwards. See, I already mentioned you very clearly. They will give you carriage. Carriage means only not one carriage that going to be come in a trading account. Even carriage that will come in profit and loss account. Carriage outward means we have to mention in profit and loss account. Carriage inwards means we have to mention in trading and profit and loss account. Is I am clear? So see, I'm doing the problem. Please, you people try to calculate, be with me, and feel like that you only solving this problem. Is I'm clear? So first we are going to prepare the trading and profit loss account for the year ending 31st 12 2015. Okay. So if you see the opening stock, how much is their opening stock? 6,900. Okay. And after that purchases returns also is there. So please see purchases inwards and purchases outwards he given. So inwards and outwards both the purchases return. If we purchase and we are returning that, so we will call it as a purchase. Sorry, return outwards. If we sailed and if we got a return, that we will mention it as a return inwards. So don't get confused. Purchase, return, return inwards and return outwards. Please try to make a note on this. Now purchases is how much ma? Purchases is 20,800 and purchases returns I am mentioning here 20,800 and minus purchase return how much ma? 580. So if you deduct this amount, how much you are going to get? 20,000 to 20. Okay na? So again, carriage inward